Hello and welcome. I am Olivia with Olivia's Romantic Home, and today I will be sharing with you how I decorated my shabby chic dining room for spring. Um, Thank you guys for popping on over. I am a crafty mama with a glue gun, and I love big bows, roses, and lots of fancy, fun decor. So for this video, I just wanted to show you guys how I put together a little Easter vignette in the center part of my dining room, and also how I went about decorating my dining room. I'll probably add to it, take away, and fluff things around just a bit. But I like to start with a blank canvas, which means I pull everything out of my cabinets and I put on a fresh tablecloth. And I started out with this mirrored tray in the center part. It ended up being a little bit bigger than what I wanted, so probably for everyday use, this is not what I'll keep, but I thought it just made a really cute little vignette. The next thing I like to do is set the stage with my little cabinet back here, and I like to add lots of pretty rose plates and fake cakes and just glam it up a bit, and then that'll give me the backdrop for how I want to decorate my centerpiece. So now that I have my china cabinet decorated, I want to go ahead and start working on this little sweet Easter centerpiece. I added in some of these really tall, I'm guessing they might be candlesticks or just some type of decor piece, but they're really tall. And so I wanted to add those to the back and then add this little sweet cake plate to the front. I also want to build kind of an arrangement on top of the cake plate, so I'm going to put a linen on top of that to stabilize whatever I decide to put on top of the cake plate. And then next, inside of these tall candelabra pieces, I am going to add some rice. I actually dropped my phone in water today and had to use this rice to dry my phone out, so this was not cooked rice, but just rice that I wanted to find a purpose for. So I'm just going to add it into the base of these little vase candlestick holders, and then layer some moss on top of that. Then I'm going to add some eggs into the top of these and just kind of make a pretty little Easter decor. The reason I added the rice into the bottom of these is I'll probably change it out after Easter is over and possibly add in some floral pieces or whatnot. And so I wanted to have something for the floral pieces to kind of stand up in. You could totally do this without the rice, but I wanted to have something that I could possibly stick something down into. Then I also wanted to try to tie just like a pretty little piece of vintagey lace onto the base of each one of these holders. That way it kind of glammed it and fancied it up. Okay, so now I'm going to add in some sweet little Easter eggs. I got these actually off of a wreath that I found at the thrift store. And I didn't really care for the wreath, but I wanted to be able to reuse these little eggs. They're kind of glammy and a little bit different. You can also find glittery eggs at your local Dollar Tree or Walmart or just whatever. And I even think it would be cute to put like some little chicks down in the center part of these. But just get creative with how you want to decorate your Easter table. So I don't know if you guys noticed, but I'm also using some small pink Christmas ornaments because I didn't have any eggs that were painted my favorite pale pink color. So I just kind of improvised with this just to kind of pink it up because I'm going to be adding a lot of pink to the centerpiece of the decor. And then to set the base for this vignette, I wanted to come in with some greenery because I'm going to be adding bunnies and florals. And so I wanted something for these Shabby Dazzle bunnies to be able to stand out on. And these were just some miscellaneous greenery pieces that I had that I thought would be fun and pretty and just kind of springy because it's getting to be that time of year where things are starting to bloom, and I just wanted to convey that in this pretty vignette. In the cake stand, and this is where it gets kind of fun and kind of crazy on my tablescape. I'm going to be adding in a lot of little Shabby Dazzle bunnies. I also made these really cute kind of pink carrots and floral arrangements, and if you guys know me, my decorating gets a little out of control with florals and bows and Victorian laces, and so that's just how I like it, guys. And you could definitely go a little bit simpler with this, and I will probably redo this without the mirror tray table because I think it's going to make it a little bit tricky to fit plates in. But just for this purpose, just to kind of show you a fun way to look at the Easter vignette, this is what I went with. So I hope you guys enjoy these little bunnies and this fun Easter vignette decor. So last but not least, I actually ended up adding in some cute little turquoise placemats and just some sweet dishes. I had these cute little bunny dishes that my mom gave me, and so I was like, oh, this will be perfect, and just some little napkins. And like I said, this table vignette got a little bit large, so but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Decorating for me is just super duper fun, and I love getting creative. Hey, if you guys are new to my channel, hit subscribe and also click the bell button for updates. And I just want to thank you guys so much for stopping by, and we will talk to you later. Have a great day.